Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card into this device. First, we need to lock the screen on our phone. To do it, simply press the power button. Once you lock the screen, we need to pick up our phone and find the SIM card tray. On this phone, it's located at the bottom, next to the charging port. Here we have the SIM card tray, here we have the charging port. Now, to open the SIM card tray, we need some kind of SIM ejection tool. Usually, one should come with your phone, and it looks something like this, or something like this. Once you have the tool, basically it's a pin that you can insert into this hole on the tray. You can insert that pin right here. And once you insert it, you can push it in, and this should make the tray pop out of the phone. Now we can remove the tool and take out the SIM tray. Okay. And here we have our SIM tray. Looks like something like this. We can now take our nano sized SIM card. Looks like this. And we can place it on a tray. We have two slots. Basically we have 1 and 2. Pick the slot you want and then place the card on it. It only fits one way because you have the cutout of the SIM card. It's shaped like a SIM card basically. So you need to place it like this. Then push it in a little to make it go in. You will see, or rather you will hear the click basically. And when you try to shake the tray, the SIM card should stay on it. This means the SIM card is on it and it's good. Now we can insert the tray into our phone. So let's pick up the phone, align the hole on the tray with the hole in the phone. So we need to insert it like this and then push it in slowly like this till the end. Once it's flush with the case, we can place our phone right here, wake up the screen on it, and once we unlock the screen, we can check if the SIM card is working, and it is because we have the reception, as you can see. And that's how you insert the SIM card into this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.